Look at it. The prop. Bye. No. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? Oh bro. Dog, he just beached it. Let's go. I mean, there is a couple inches of sand there, I guess. Oh, this dude just left his jet ski right here and it's gonna drift off. Oh my gosh. Welcome back to the Big Dan Show, folks. Another episode right here in Navarre, Florida at the boat ramp. He pulls up, beaches it on the concrete, and she's drifting away. Okay, this is the matching ski. I guess she's gonna rescue this thing. He's got it on there. No problemo. Hey, I could help you out if your transmission just magically breaks and goes in the water and the insurance company needs the video. I'm here for you. Oh, I'm on it. She's like, no, I'm driving mine on. I ain't had enough fun today. I'm gonna back up and drive this puppy on. But you know what? We've got a Grady White coming in here, and I guarantee you, they're gonna give us a good show. You know when you know, you just know. Oh dang, he was spinning in the Jeep. Lock it in full wheel. There you go. Crawls right out. At least they're getting the fenders and the dock lines and everything set out before the crash course. Oh, you're watching the Big Dan Show. Welcome back to another episode right here in Navarre, Florida. Sorry for the terrible music in the background. It's the live DJ or the live band playing at Juana's. You gotta love live music. It's either really good or really bad. Could it be their first time? That's the crazy thing. You never know when you pull up to the boat ramp. When it's somebody's first time, or maybe they've been drinking all day, long hot day on the water, you never really know what you're gonna get. Can he do it? He's got the freaking catch pole out like he's at the dog pound, trying to catch somebody's pit bull puppy. Oh, they're drifting. If I was going to make a suggestion, it would be go on the windward side. That means it would be this side of the dock, not that side. Set your bumpers or your fenders up on the port side and just pull in here and drift in to the dock. Maybe it'll make it a little easier to get her on the dock, but we'll see. Maybe they'll figure it out. Oh, this ain't gonna be good. Get him, Cap, you're drifting. Get him. Uh-oh, here comes the panic. Here comes the panic. Yes, this is it. I like it. You're not going to go down, are you? No. Hey, you never know, bro. Easy day. I kind of figured they were going to back out and have to do another shot at it. No problem. No harm, no foul, nobody's hurt. He just watched this boat come in here and they just jumped off like a pimp. He's like, all right, I got to hit it with some speed. No, 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 no. Brother. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Easy, easy. Woo. Somebody just yelled, look out for Big Dan. He goes, I don't worry about him. He's fine. Let him do his job. That's right. They had 3 on the boat. One of them's missing. They must have threw her off. More witness protection. Oh, that wind is kicking, boys. I want to know where the other crew member went. Witness protection. Or she's got an old man and she's on the boat with somebody else. I'm not saying that's what's going on, but I've seen it before. Oh, coming out of the hatch. Okay, I was worried about it there for a minute. Welcome to PowerLoadParty.com. Go get your merch at PowerLoadParty.com. We got t-shirts. We got long sleeve t-shirts, performance tees. We got a cool freaking tumbler, an In2Deep tumbler. $25 for the tumbler. They are a hot seller. We got 100 left in stock. Or like 80 something, but yeah, close enough to 100. So if you want to represent the Big Dan Show and help us out here on the channel, we don't make a lot of money off of it, just a few bucks off of each order, but we sure appreciate it. Buddy, I ain't seen a trailer like this with this many guide pipes on there in all my life. We got 3 guide pipes. I can guess that there was 4 and 1 got ripped off on that port side. Oh, it is windy today. And they are in too deep right here on the Big Dan Show. Check the flag out. Our captain here is calling for him to pull up.
Stay where you at. Hey, just stay right there. You got to back up a little bit. Just stay where you at.
He got the first step right. That was dropping the bimini top. Can he finish it? And he nails it. Welcome to Googans.
I don't know what I'm doing. Sometimes I get lucky.
That's right. Y'all be good.
Appreciate you. Yeah.
Hey, motor's on.
Sometimes I get lucky.
That's right. That's awesome. What's this crew doing? Are they leaving? Don't worry, pimpin', I'll be here till dark. I'll be here till dark. Ooh, that's naughty, boy. That's naughty.
Should have been here Monday.
Was it good?
It was fucking shit show. Fuckers don't know how to doctor.
I was in Orange Beach. Oh, the captain done got off of the boat. Oh boy. This could be either bad or good. I've seen the captain hop off the boat to take a dock line and it not be connected before. And then he have to coach. Oh, moly. He had to walk through the non-driving crew on how to get it back to the dock. That was a fiasco. I wonder how old boy's hacky sack's feeling right now. That was a good old straddling fall there. What's up, big dog?
What's up, brother?
How you doing?
Hey, Chris.
Big Dan.
I know.
Good to meet you.
You as well.
Yes, sir. I like that color. You seen yourself on the show.
I seen it before.
I was like,
yep. Hey,
yeah.
keep your eye on this spot too.
Right here.
That's my boy.
Chit show.
Hey, you had us on your video when I was helping him. Keep your eye on him. He's gonna give you something fun.
Bet. Appreciate it, bro.
It's a pleasure, Chris.
Hey, good meeting you, Daniel.
You as
Good
well,
to meet you, bro. I got you, big dog. Don't let me down, player. Oh, the boat's finna fall off the trailer. I just saw the boat sliding. Did they got, look at the, oh, bruh. That thing didn't even make it to the water. And it slipped. Now this is a unit right here. Louisiana special. Bro, they need a magic tilt. of people one day a week. It's insane.
Is this the committee boat? Or is this another boat? That's not the Hobie skip, is it? You've never done
This is all our boats are small, but if your boat was split up,
See you, bro. He's like, hey, mama, can I help ya? Yeah, you can help me. Meanwhile, they've launched and left the boat right here in the way. That'll work. Oh, boys. In the 18-foot Robalo center console. Whoa, mama, you almost went down. Ain't on straight. Oh boy. He got her up on there too far now.
The wind's kicking up and it's kind of
yeah.
wreaking havoc on us.
And you got Big Dan here. I'm sure that doesn't help. Uh-oh, I'm feeling some raindrops. What's happening?
That?
Give your phone?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, well, I'll see you at the house.
There go the man right there, baby.
If I fuck up, it's my fault, not yours.
Hey, what branch were you in?
Maybe.
Nice. She's so excited to see me. That's hilarious. I don't know why. Easy. Sit down, dog. Sit down. Holy smokes. I know y'all. How y'all doing? Good. I see you've been watching the channel. You've been taking notes. Looking good. What's up, big dog? How are you? How was it out there? Good to see you. Oh, shoot. He almost hit that boat. Motor straight, it is. Give her hell, Dale. Easy, dog. Easy, big dog.
We love you. I love you, Big Dan.
I love y'all. They're excited to be here today. You love it.
They're all fucking crazy.
All those maniacs on that boat. Welcome to YouTube. You've landed on the greatest channel.
The guy who cut me off, that was bullshit.
What's that?
The guy that cut me off, that was bullshit.
Oh yeah.
That's alright, though.
I don't even know who he's talking about. Somebody cut him off. Are they a couple or what? That's yeah, are they a couple? I gotta know if they're a couple. That is a whoa, 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 whoa! Look in the van up there. Which way where are they going? Oh shoot! Dude, I forgot a funny story. I cannot believe I haven't told you guys this yet. We used to have some Sea-Doos, and I had a cooler on the back, like a Yeti, and I had it strapped down. It wasn't locked into the cooler locking clamps on the back of the Sea-Doos. It was just strapped down. Well, I went to my mother-in-law's house and the kids wanted a Capri Sun out of the cooler, so they just hopped up on the Sea-Doos, grabbed a Capri Sun out of the cooler. Well, they didn't put the strap on. Well, I'm running 75 mile an hour down the highway. Well, I had like a safety rope tied on to the cooler just in case it fell off or the strap came off so I wouldn't lose it. Dude, I heard something like bam, 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 bam. I was like, what is that freaking noise, dude? So I pulled over and it hit me. The kids went in the cooler and didn't put the strap back on it. What do you know? Oh my gosh. Let's go. Wiggle, wiggle. Stop and wiggle with it. Oh, he's trimming it up like he's in the shallows. Oh, dude. Bilge pumps on. We're trimmed up like we ain't never been trimmed up before. Holy smokes, cuff. Oh, gosh. Dude, I can see the prop. I can see the prop. The prop's coming out of the water. Dude, you ain't got no control when you got your thing trimmed up. Oh, big dog. Oh, he's going to... Uh-oh. Oh, gosh. There they go. There they go. Look at it. The prop. Bye. Welcome to the Big Dan Show. Alright, I think they got it. I think they got it. Alright, here we go. Alright, y'all don't do no flashing or nothing now. Oh, y'all are so sweet. I love y'all. I'm looking, I'm concentrating, baby. I'm concentrating. I'll bleep it out.
Okay, it's on. Got you.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it so much. Have a great night.
Oh yeah, I'd love to see a lady captain. I just said I love to see a lady captain.
I'm from Nebraska too. Imagine
Nebraska? You got a big audience on the boat. They're gonna go nuts when she nails it. They're gonna go crazy. You impressed me. dude just came out from under the dock. Wait, what is this, a hobo? Living under the dock these days? My dude knows his crew is in too deep in the F-350. All right, they're gonna pull up. Dang, bro. How would you like to have to go behind her? Shoot, the pressure's on now. Welcome to the Big Dan Show. I'm your host, Big Dan, and it's getting real. Go, 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 forward, forward, forward. Nope, nope. There you go. Well, folks, that's going to do it for this episode. Thanks for tuning in. As always, we'll see you on the next episode. Make sure you smash the like, subscribe. We're almost at 100K. Tons of giveaways when we hit 100K. We'll see y'all there. Peace. Oh, this dude's in a good spot. I don't want to hear no more excuses. They had 8 foot on the left. There's at least 8 foot on the right. I'm pretty sure you can get 5 trucks and trailers in at this ramp. Oh my gosh. Well, if you're in the Dodge and you go kind of close to the middle, what do you expect? Wow. I think they're having an argument over there. Guy's like, could you get any closer? He goes, well, don't park in the middle of the fucking ramp. Oh my. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. Bro. Are you serious? Wow. That was bad. Dude, that was bad. Oh my gosh.